Welcome to AssistEdge RPA how-to video series. In this video, we will learn how to capture web control interactions using the multimodal dialog box. The application activity allows users to configure web applications automation steps using browsers such as Internet Explorer, Firefox, Chrome, and Microsoft Edge. Note that a compatible driver version of the browser must be present on systems where the web automation is configured and then executed to avoid potential errors. Configuring the application activity to automate web application automation interactions include the following steps. Add and configure an application of type web apps. Add an application activity to use the added web app. For the bound web application, capture the web control interactions using the multimodal dialog box. In this video, we will understand the third step of the web application automation process that includes capturing the web control interactions using the multimodal dialog box. Let's look at capturing web control interactions for the added Google App application activity. To understand how to add the Google App application activity, you can watch the Using an Application Activity for Web Apps video. In this example, we will capture putting a default Infosys stock price in the Google text box and hitting enter. This action retrieves the Infosys stock price value on the web page, which we will extract and print it onto the console. In the application activity, click Settings. This launches the configured web application along with the web mode interface. The loaded web page is configured while adding a web application. In the web mode interface, click Play. This brings the loaded application in focus with the red highlight box. Place the red highlight box on the web control interaction you want to automate. In this case, let's place the red box on the Google search text box. This opens the web mode properties window for the selected control. Select action is equal to the action you want to perform on the selected text box. In this case, select action is equal to set value. Set input source is equal to the input to be provided in the text box. Input source can either be a value read from an upstream application or a constant default value. In this case, provide input source is equal to Infosys stock value string and check the is default value checkbox. Note that in case the input source is an upstream application, you need not select the is default value checkbox. Click Run to test if the interaction is configured properly. Click Save to save this interaction. The saved interaction displays in the saved section of the web mode properties window. Similarly, configure the next interaction to hit enter. For this interaction, drop the red box in the search text box. Select action is equal to send keys and keys is equal to enter. Provide display name as hit enter and test and save the interaction. Similarly, configure the next interaction to extract the stock value. For this interaction, drop the red box on the returned stock price value. Select action is equal to get text. Display name is equal to extract price. To save the extracted price in a variable, select variable name is equal to price of type text. This creates the price variable in the process and saves the extracted stock price into it. Save the interaction. Verify all the saved interactions appear in the saved section. Click Save Configured Fields and return to Studio to send all the configured fields to the process in the Studio. Double-click the Google App application activity to verify if all the configured steps have been added. In the Canvas Tools pane, click Assign and Write to expand the Tools section. Drag the Write line activity and drop it under the Extract Price Configured Web interaction. In the write line activity, set text equal to price variable to print the value of the price variable. Click Test Run to verify the extracted stock price in the console output window. That's all from this how-to video. Catch up with the other learning videos to know more about AssistEdge RPA. Thank you.